Hi, I'm Jeff Bryant from Dynamic Transit, and today we're going to be talking about just a quick tip for fifth wheel maintenance. A big misconception with a lot of drivers, a lot of times they'll have a dry fifth wheel, meaning that there's not good lubrication, so the pivot point isn't as smooth as what it could be, so you'll meet a lot of resistance. I kind of use some white lithium grease just to trace around where the recessed area of the fifth wheel is. So that looks like it has grease lubrication on it, when in fact, if you look on the outside edges, it's very dry. What a driver could experience for concerns with this fifth wheel when pulling this trailer down the road is trailer could be doglegging to the left or the right, tracking over the line or something like that, or he could have trouble keeping it in his lane as a result, and a lot of times it's just simple lubrication on that fifth wheel. What I'm wanting to do now is just, I guess, show proper quick lubrication. I'm using a moly grease for one, because you get two real big benefits from grease, right? Either you can have a lot of lubrication, and if you have a lot of lubrication, then it's probably not going to stay on the fifth wheel. This type of an application, you would want something with a lot more tackifier in it so that it stays around. So I'm just going to basically lubricate this as if it was a truck that I was going to drive. And I'm going to start right from the tapers forward, and then I'm going to work my way up to the top of the pin, and then I'm going to stop at that point, because anything I'm going to put past the pin, I'm likely to push it off when I connect to a trailer, if I'm not dropping my airbags. That is a properly lubricated fifth wheel, and I would recommend to every driver, every time that you disconnect from a trailer before you hook up to another, make sure you're treating it with this kind of concern before you take off, so you have less issues to deal with as you're traveling down the road. So appreciate your time.